Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm having a problem with my S13. So my driver's side window, left and on the left door, is not working. I already took the door panel out. As you can see, it's nothing. I thought the motor was gone, because when I press the button, you can hear it clicking here on the relay. And if I use the button for the passenger door, it works, as you can see. It works fine, but the driver's side door, nothing. You can hear it clicking here, which made me believe that the problem was the motor in here. And before, when it wasn't working, I just hit the door a couple times and it would start working, which made me believe that the motor was going and it was getting stuck. But I just realized that's not the problem. I'm just doing this video to help you guys out if you have the same problem in the future, or if you're trying to solve the same problem. So before I went out and bought a new motor, what I did, I went out and tested this motor to see if it was still working. So I used a spare battery and I hooked it up to, and I gave it 12 volts straight to this this connector. It goes to the motor. So just hook it up in there, give it 12 volts straight from the battery, and the window was going up and down, no problem. The motor is going strong. So I know the motor is okay. This thing is clicking, but I think there's something wrong with this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this box and see if one of the connections or something inside became loose. So let's see if we can sort this problem. Alright, I just came here to the car so I can test this and see if it works before I start sealing the unit again. Let's see. Let's see how it goes. Turn the ignition on. Well, that's it. Happy days. It's working again. Found the culprit. One of the connections in here, the solder was just cracked, so it wasn't making connection. So now I'm gonna take this back home, seal the whole unit, assemble everything again, put the door cars in. That's it, job done.